So guys, I'm gonna start a video series on how to solve a Rubik's Cube. So if you're interested, I'm gonna teach you how to solve it. Okay, as you can see that it's solved now. So if you're interested, please like this video, share and subscribe for more, because in the next video I'll be showing you the first step on how to solve a Rubik's Cube. So please subscribe to my channel and like this video for many more videos to come, because I'll also give you this bonus. As you can see, the cube is solving itself. Let me show you it again. Look at this. So it's basically solving itself.